morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Surunshi and my today's topic is clinical study report. It is a full-length detailed document containing the new drug therapeutic efficacy, safety data for an individual study with a therapeutic or the diagnostic agent. A clinical study report is one of the many types of regulatory documents that comprise a company's marketing application for a drug and the biological or the device, and it is a descriptive account of a single clinical trial accompanied by the tables, listening and the figure display all the study data and the result, and it is extensive and the complete document which has to be submitted for the obtaining a marketing authorization of the IMP to the European Union or the United States, and the content of CSR is similar to that of a peer review manuscript. It has to follow certain rules made by the format of the clinical study report recommended by International Conference of the Harmonization of Technical Requirement for the registration of the pharmaceutical for the human use guidelines E3 on the structure and the content of the clinical study report, which was approved in 1996. Several guidelines are applicable to the clinical development of the IMP for human use, and each guideline has its own section of the rules which CSR has to be followed, and even country has its own set of the fundamental rules in order to prepare the CSR. And however, the ICH E3 guideline only provide the information on the structure and the content of the full clinical study protocol. ICH E3 guidelines for the clinical study report. The structure of full CSR is the structure of full CSR according to the International Conference on the Harmonization of the Technical Requirement for registration for the pharmaceutical use the following guidelines. First, title page, synopsis, table of content, list of abbreviation, ethics, investigators, and the introduction. The study objective, investigational plan, study patients, efficacy evaluation and safety evaluation, discussion and the overall conclusion, and the reference list. First, title page. In that, the study title, name of the test drug, study indication, study design, sponsor name, address and protocol identifier, and date of the initiation and termination, completion name and the address of a principal investigator. Then second, synopsis. It summarizes the study in a briefly, and the table of content. It contains the table including summary tables and figure and graphs also. List of abbreviation. In that, the section include a list of the abbreviation, and the ethics, independent ethics committee, patient information and the concern. Then investigator and the administrative structure contain the administrative structure of study, principal investigator and the administration. And the introduction, it contains the context of the development of the test drug product and the study objective. In that, the statement describe the overall purpose of the study should be provided. So thank you everyone.